1. Liquid intake. Dermatologists say that choosing the right beverage can actually change the skin. Drink about half a liter of water every morning to whiten the skin, increase oxygen and moisturize. Drinking a glass of fresh green juice with lots of vegetables every day for breakfast is another good way to change your skin in a few days. 2. Lip balms. Every time you feel your lips are dry, simply apply a lip balm to moisturize the dry tissues and protect the lip area from wind, low temperature and ultraviolet rays. Always use the thinner water-based texture product first, and the thickest creamy product last. This is helpful for the skin because the thick creams and oils help seal all the products that have been used before. 3. Exfoliate your skin. In addition to removing dead skin cells, it can also thoroughly exfoliate and deeply clean pores. This will also ensure that the makeup goes on smoothly without a cake-like appearance on the skin. 4. A double cleanse routine. It is easy to follow this two-step process. You need an oil-based cleaner before you use a water-based cleaner. Oil-based cleaners can remove all traces of makeup and dust, while water-based cleaners can remove stubborn dirt that usually remains. The double cleansing process not only cleans the face, but also eliminates the possibility of clogged pores and acne. 5. Removing makeup. At the end of a long and tiring day, just wash your face to jump into the bed. But this is the perfect gateway to bad skin. Before going to bed, it is important to thoroughly clean and remove all the last bits of makeup on the face. Otherwise it will clog the pores and cause foul smell and acne. 6. A healthy diet. Without a healthy diet, the effects and benefits of following all these techniques will be incomplete. To get good skin and hair, your diet should always be rich in nutrients. It should be an excellent mixture of fruits, vegetables, nuts, grains and legumes. By choosing to eat salads, smoothies and juices, increase your intake of raw or boiled foods, and add as many fruits and vegetables as possible to your meals. Not only will you feel more active and relaxed, but you will also have a broad vision of life. 7. Using a sunscreen. In addition to protecting your skin from harmful UVA and UVB rays, sunscreen is also the best anti-aging tool you have ever used. It can protect your skin from wrinkles, pigmentation, dark spots and skin cancer. We recommend that you choose a non-comedogenic and hypoallergenic formula by simply reading the label on the bottle to prevent skin breakage. 8. Keep your hands off your face throughout the day. Your hands will be in contact with many things, and eventually a lot of dirt and bacteria will accumulate. Every time you touch anything on your face, you actually leave a lot of bacteria behind and create a potential minefield for zinc mines. We recommend that you wash and disinfect your hands many times during the day. 9. Makeup setting sprays. They not only extend the staying power of makeup, but also found that the setting spray has the effect of cooling, moisturizing, brightening and glowing skin. Just spray 2 or 3 sprays after makeup, and it will do wonders and make you less clear and stain all the stains.